Hi, I'm Tisha Deegan, Deputy County Executive of Fairfax County Health and Human Services. We are aware that the effects of a prolonged federal government shutdown may be having an impact on the lives of many of our residents' families. We want you to rest assured that Fairfax County offices are open and staff is available to assist those families who may need help during this time. Fairfax County services have not been impacted by the shutdown, and our health and human service agencies are continuing to operate as normal to connect families and individuals to county and community-based resources to assist them in meeting their needs, including food, utilities, and rent assistance. We invite those in need to please contact our Coordinated Services Planning Team at 703-222-0880 TTY 711 for assistance. Our staff will help connect residents to resources that can support them during this time. Fairfax County staff will continue to monitor the impacts of the federal government shutdown and provide ongoing updates on our website as changes arise.